Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two research tools platform, which is SpyFu and Similarweb. So to get started with the in-depth side-by-side comparison about the two platforms. So to get started, SpyFu in 2025 is built for marketers who want deep keyword intelligence and competitors insight. It shows you the exact keyword your competitors rank for, the one they are bidding in on PPC, which is historical ranking trend, and the opportunity they may be missing. It's a hand-on keyword research powerhouse for agencies and SEO professionals who want to cover gap, build better campaign, and track rival closely. Similarweb, on the other hand, is more of a traffic and market analysis platform than a pure keyword researcher. It can reveal what channel and search item drive traffic to competitors. It also focuses it on high level insights like audience demography, referral resources, and market sharing. It's great for strategy planning and a big picture decision, but it's not as detailed when it comes to actionable keyword lists. And here's my conclusion. Choose SpyFu if your priority is in depth keyword research and competitors keywords tracking, but go with Similarweb if you need a broad traffic intelligence and a market context to guide overall strategy. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.